What comes to your mind when I say fire? You may think of a campfire, a wildfire, or maybe rocket fire. But what if I tell you that ChatGPT, a self-driving car, and a spaceship come to my mind when I think of fire? Confused? Let's dig into this in this Facts and Perspectives series. Cooking is something we take for granted, but remember, our great ancestors used to eat their food raw, just like most animals on this planet Earth do, until they invented the great technology of starting and controlling fire. Many don't realize simply how significant this is. Although we will not be enjoying all the delicious cuisines we enjoy today without fire, what if I tell you that fire has much larger consequences? Much larger. In fact, we, as we are today with the life we are enjoying today, wouldn't be possible without fire. Let me explain. Eating cooked food, thanks to this fire control technology, has made it very easy on our bodies to absorb nutrients from the food as well as eating the food itself. So you're burning less calories to consume the food and gaining more calories from the food, kind of gaining from both ends. But what does our body do with all those excess calories it's getting? Most of them ended up going to the brain, being the body part consuming the most number of calories, making us, the species, with largest brain to body weight ratio. Of course, this did not happen overnight. It took hundreds of thousands of years, but nevertheless, this directly contributed to our species becoming smarter, leading to all the innovation, results of which we are enjoying today. Sure, fire helped our species evolve to present day in more ways than this, but this is a simple way to look at it. Don't forget to check out a detailed video on this topic linked down below. So now you tell me, would we have all the modern day smart societies full of smart homes, intelligent factories, autonomous cars, light-speed internets, and interplanetary spaceships if we never started cooking our food?